Namaste and welcome back. Today we are diving into one of the most profound yet simple mudras in yogic traditions, Unmani Mudra, also called the Attitude of Mindlessness. This practice takes us to a space beyond thoughts, where the mind quiets down, stress dissolves, and awareness rests in stillness. Unmani Mudra is not about controlling the mind, it is about letting go of the constant chatter, reaching a natural state of inner silence. The word Unmani comes from Sanskrit. Un means without, Mani comes from manas meaning mind. So Unmani literally means no mind or beyond thinking. In yogic philosophy, this is known as Unmani Avastha, the state of pure being, where actions may still happen but there is no inner conflicts, no overthinking, no attachment. This is a state sages spoke of, where the mind is silent yet fully alert. Think of it as a space between two thoughts, timeless, spacious and free. That's what Unmani Mudra reveals. Before we begin, remember, sit in a comfortable meditative asana, Siddhasana, Sukhasana, Siddha Yoni Asana or Padmasana. Keep your spine upright, head and neck aligned. Place the hands on the knees in Chin Mudra or Jhan Mudra. Relax the body completely. Only then can the mind move inward. Let's go into the practice. Sit quietly, open the eyes fully, but do not strain. Let them rest in natural openness. Inhale deeply. As you hold the breath in, bring your awareness to the Bindu point, located at the back of the head, slightly above where the spine meets the skull. This is a very subtle point linked with memory, deep rest and transcendence. Hold awareness at Bindu for a few seconds. The breath is held inside, the mind turned inward. Now exhale slowly, and as you breathe out, let the awareness travel down the spine through the chakras. Anjana between eyebrows, Vishuddhi throat, Anahat heart chakra, Manipur navel, Swadhisthana sacral and finally Mooladhara root. As awareness descends, allow the eyes to gently close. By the time awareness reaches Mooladhara, the eyes should be fully closed. Rest here in stillness. The mind should not register external objects even when eyes are open. Awareness is inward. Inhale again. Repeat the cycle. Continue for 5 to 10 minutes. Don't try too hard. Unmani is about effortless awareness. The eyes may be open, but don't let them see. They should become windows looking inward. Awareness flows with the breath, from Bindu to Mooladhara. It is not about the physical act. It is a mental shift into no thought. Physical benefits. Deep relaxation of the nervous system helps calm the brain and regulate breath naturally, relieves tension in the facial muscles and eyes. Mental benefits. Reduces stress, anxiety and overthinking, creates stillness for meditation, improves clarity, focus and emotional balance. Spiritual benefits. Leads to Pratyahara, withdrawal of the senses, awakens deeper states of meditation and silence, opens the door to Unmani Avastha, a state beyond thoughts where pure awareness shines, supports awakening of higher consciousness through the chakras. Avoid if you have severe depression, as with Shambhavi Mudra. If you feel dizziness, anxiety, or pressure in the head, stop and return to natural breathing, normal breathing. Practice gently. This mudra is about relaxation, not force. Unmani Mudra is mentioned in Hatha Yoga text as a gateway to meditation. It is often used in Nad Yoga, sound meditation, to quiet the inner noise. The key is not registering external objects, letting the mind becomes thought-free. With practice, you begin to enter the gap between thoughts, a state where the true meditation unfolds naturally. So that is Unmani Mudra, the attitude of mindlessness, simple in technique yet profound in effect. It teaches us that silence is not something we create, it is already here. We only need to let go of thought and rest in it. Practice gently, regularly, and allow the mind to taste its own stillness. Namaste.